Hi, my name is May from Good Story Chinese Translation. Today I'm going to show you how to place your translator suit most efficiently on your translations. As we know that we translators translate documents every day, and some of the documents can have a lot of pages, and therefore it's important that we place our suit in the most efficient way we can. So here I have a modified NAATI suit. Say you have taken a photo of the image of your suit, or you have scanned it, and so it becomes a document that you can a picture that you can open up in Paint. So I have done that. So now we can see that there is a bit of a margin here, and we would like to crop that margin out. So we place it into a Word document, a translation. It will not take up too much space. So what I do here is I click select, rectangular select, and then I click and drag, and then I press crop. So as you can see, I'll save my seal here as seal no margin. Yes. So once I have this sealed, blank sealed, I go to a Word document, open up a blank Word document, and then I insert this sealed into it. So what you do is insert, and then you choose this picture where you save it. And once you have inserted it, then you can try to assemble your signature and your date. So basically, your signature can also be produced in the same way that you have scan and crop your seal. You can do the same to your signature. So once you have done it, you put it next to your signature, and then you can see here that is your the date of the translation. So say if we put it to make it 24th, which is the date today, and then you move the text box next to the date, and now you've got a nice and tidy sealed. What you do is that you save your Word document, and every time you need to change the date when you do a new translation, you come back this document and physically change the date. The rest can remain unchanged. So once you have done that, you save this as a PDF. So it's a yes, because it's read only. Okay, so what we'll do is because I have saved it before, so it's still open. So now let's try to save it again. Replace, yes. So now I go to my PDF sealed. That is sealed here. As you can see, it's nice and tidy here. But I have to, before I can insert it into my document, I still need to take a snapshot. So I only choose the seal and not the margins. So once I hear that the ding sound, that means I have taken a snapshot. Now I have, now I can go to the document itself that has been translated, and then I can place Ctrl V to paste it on there, and here I can resize my seal, and then I can put it to the back, and then I can move it around. If you put your seal in an area on its own, it's okay, but if you put it on top of your text. Sometimes, that may be a requirement from the client that they want the seal to overlap with the text. So what you do in this case is just double click the image and then change the transparency to make your seal more transparent. And therefore now you can see both the text and the seal. Now once it's done, I save it, or I can save it better even still. You save it as a sample translation sealed with the additional word sealed, and to differentiate from the translation without the seal. So once you have done that, you can save it. And nowadays, most often we provide our translation as a PDF. So what you do is you save it as a PDF. Now we save it. Yes, because I have generated another copy as a test run. So now let's have a look. Now we have that seal document here. Let's open it. And you can see it's nice and tidy here, the seal and the text. And so I'm happy with this document now. So this is how to place your seal in a Word document. What if I have a PDF document, say like this, that I have modify some of the text or some of the translations in the PDF, which is a bilingual document supplied by the client, or I have inserted certain text on it because only a few words need to be translated. So once I have done that, I need to affix my sealed. In another presentation, will share with you the key functions in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here I will use that function here called add image. That would allow me to add my seal to this PDF. Please feel free to look at the other presentation if you want to learn more about the functionalities of Adobe Acrobat Pro that is relevant to translators. And we also have another presentation on OCR softwares comparisons that shows you how you can use the Adobe Acrobat Pro export file to function to convert it into the PDF into an editable document. So now I am going to look for my seal because even though it's not here because I have not saved it as a photo. To use this function, the image need to be in a photo format. So what I do previously, I have it in a PDF format. So I'll do that snapshot again. So once you hear the ting, you can open up your document and then open up your paint, and then you paste your sealed in paint, and then I can go save as, and I will say sealed with signature and date. So now I'm happy with this photo. I save it as a PNG, a photo format. I save it. Now let's go back here to my document that need to be sealed. So what I do is I do add image, and then now you can see that I have a seal here that with my signature and the date that is saved in the format of a photo. So I've chosen it, open, and you can see that my mouse has been loaded, and if I click on it, So it will be affixed, and then I just resize it to the size that I'm comfortable, and I choose it. Um, uh, so if once I'm happy with it, then I can save it as sample PDF suit to differentiate from the one without seal. So as you can see, it's nice and tidy here, and I'm happy with the job. So that's all the sharings today for how to affix your seal in a Word document and in a PDF document, and how to create a seal that is efficient. So each time all you need to do is to change the date and without worrying about anything else. So again, my name is May from Good Story Chinese Translation. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to look at other clips on our website that are of interest to you. Bye until next time.